spaghetti is easy, but making it taste incredible, that's where this recipe comes in. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This classic tomato spaghetti is comfort, I must say. Let's dive right into it. Heat up enough boiling water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix very well, then add your 1 pack of spaghetti inside your boiling water. Mix very well, then allow to boil for 10 minutes. When your spaghetti is soft and ready, strain it and set it aside. For your tomato mix, take 2 red bell pepper, chili pepper, and some scotch bonnet pepper, and 3 tomatoes. Wash very well, remove the seeds, and cut it into smaller sizes like this. Add your garlic in a pan and sprinkle some olive oil on your tomato and pepper. Then you toss it into the oven. Afterward, grab the chopped onions and add to the pan. Stir fry for a few seconds, then add the spices and fry for about 1 minute. Add your tomato paste and fry for about 3 minutes. Or just keep frying until your tomatoes is ready, well fried. So let's check all the tomatoes in the oven. At this point, the tomato pepper mix is ready. Give it a nice blend and add it to the pan. This tomato base always makes your cooking so much easier. You can prepare it ahead of time and store in your freezer. Anyway, stir the tomatoes for about 5 to 8 minutes or until it's completely fried. Afterward, you add your chicken stock or your meat stock to loosen up your tomatoes base. Add seasoning cube, stir, and you can now introduce your spaghetti right into the tomato sauce. Mix to combine until the spaghetti is well coated in the tomato sauce. Keep stirring until you get your desired result. At this point, the aroma of this dish will be all over your kitchen. Yeah. So sprinkle some spring onion, stir again, and your classic tomato spaghetti is ready. Subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Please click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I appreciate every one of you. Please continue to like this video, share with your friends, and come back again for more amazing recipe. I love you. Bye.